Taking a look at 8c, we have a degree 4 variable here and a degree 2 variable here. And as you know from the previous chapters, when we deal with an expression like this, to factor this, we have to manipulate this into a form that we do know how to factor. So let's let a equal to z squared. That means a squared is equal to z to the power of 4. So when we substitute that into the equation, we get z to the power of 4 is a squared. Z to the power of 2 is a, so that's minus 13a. And then we have that plus 36. And look what we did. We made a smart substitution which turned this expression into a form that we do definitely know how to factor. So we need two numbers whose sum is equal to minus 13 and whose product, p, is equal to 36. Well, we know that minus 9 times minus 4 is equal to 36, and the sum is minus 13. So the two numbers are therefore minus 9 and minus 4. So when we factor this, we get a minus 9 and a minus 4. Comes from this right here. So we can't just leave our answer in terms of a because the question came, with variables in terms of z. So we need to change this back into z. So based on the substitution, we know that a equals to z squared, so that's z squared minus 9. And this right here is z squared minus 4. Now before you say we're all done and move on to the next question, look, z squared minus 9, z squared minus 4. What do you notice? They're both difference of squares, right? It takes the form a squared minus b squared. And we know we can factor these forms into a minus b, a plus b. Because of that, we need to factor once again. So z squared minus 9, using this shortcut right here, we can factor this into z minus 3 and z plus 3. And z squared minus 4, we can factor that into using the same rule, z minus 2 and z plus 2.